Open it up. Did he burp? Here, I'll show you. Yes, you can see you. Oh, that's too open now. Close it. You like that part, don't you? Yeah, you can see the baby in there. You're just trying to get to the burp part every time.